Welcome back to our channel One Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix your problems step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can unprivate your TikTok account under 20 seconds. So it's a pretty simple trick which I'm going to be showing you, which is going to allow you to get an unprivate account. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, open TikTok and click on the profile option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you're on your TikTok profile, you can see the three line at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it. Once you click on the three line, it's going to give you all these options. From these options, make sure you click on the last one where it says settings and privacy. Now once you're over here, you see all these options. You want to choose the second option where it says privacy. Click on it, and at the top where it says private account, if it is turned on, that means your account is private. So turn it off and click on switch, and your account is no longer a private account. You just unprivated your TikTok account just like that. It's that simple. So yeah, that's how you guys can private and unprivate your TikTok account under 20 seconds. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys on my future video. Bye bye.